Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint Powers template in just 1 minute. So let's begin. You can download this free template from the link in the description. So first of all, go to the format background and use a light color. And you go to insert tab and pictures and you're gonna insert like two roses and one of them a bush, one of them a branch, and you're gonna insert Eiffel Tower and you're gonna just increase its size while holding control. I will give the link to all these resources in the description so you can use them. Change the brand's artistic effect to blur and increase its radius to 100. It may lag a little because when using artistic effect, it always lags, like your computer is really lagging. So now let's send it to the front and move it onto the Eiffel Tower right here like this. And the next step we're gonna do is just put it right here and now rotate and slightly like this. Send this bush to the front and we're gonna increase its size while holding control. Rotate it like this and put it onto the Eiffel Tower, half inside and half out of the template. Add your tags and it's all complete. You can download this free template from the link in the description below along with free resources.